Hey everyone, it's Sydney, and today we have another exciting video for you guys. If you didn't know, my husband and I just moved into this brand new house, and I'm actually standing in the dining room, living room area, and if you want to see the way that looks, which it's beautiful, we love it, go ahead and click the link down below. We have it posted there, and I hope you love that video as much as we do. So you guys asked for a kitchen tour, so we're gonna go ahead and show you the kitchen. So this is the flow of it. We're gonna walk this way, and Tony is backing up into our kitchen. Hello. Okay, so when we moved into this house, we did not build it. Someone actually flipped it, and so it's new to us. He gave us all stainless steel appliances, never used. We were literally like taking the styrofoam out, so that was such a blessing. It was awesome. But here is our fridge, which is really cool because Tony and I didn't have a fridge before, so we feel like it's such a luxury to have like ice and like clean water, or what is it, like filtered water. We have that now, and yeah, whatever, fridge, no big deal. Everything's not really like organized yet. We're working on that because we just moved in like a week ago. But yeah, here's our stainless steel oven and our countertops. We love these countertops, and like I said, we didn't have to pick any of this out, which was like so much easier for me because when we were looking at building, I was like really nervous about that because I'm not the best at making decisions. So love this with our backsplash. It's so beautiful. Here is something I got from TJ Maxx. It says this kitchen is made for dancing. I love it. I try to just keep the neutral spatula and things like that in this one to try and keep it clean. This is really cool. This is our olive oil, and actually it's avocado oil. And then this is, where's the little guy? Here it is. It says aged vinegar, and we got this from Target in the dollar spot or whatever. It was like $3, which is really cool because I think it's super cute. We just kind of put that guy there. Here we keep our spices, and we have a little more spices here. Nothing's in there yet. These towels we got from Target. I love that. And then I got this from Target, which is our little like ladle thing. It's not fall, but I still use it because it's white. But I got that from like the dollar spot too during the fall time. And then over here, wow, I must love Target. These are from Target, which we love them. They're so cute. They're just super simple. They kind of look like the Ray Dunn style, but they're not. I kind of like this font a little better, but yeah. We got these from Target. Tony got these from TJ Maxx. They're just stackable coffee cups, which is kind of cool. My brother-in-law got us this KitchenAid for when we got married as a wedding gift. We keep our pots and pans down here, and then our silverware here. And then in here, we just have our collection of literally, it's just mugs. Kind of obsessive, but I couldn't get rid of them, guys. You know how hard it is to get rid of mugs, and I literally threw away like 20 of them, and I still have that many left, but I'm not getting rid of them, okay? Over here, we have our sink. It's super deep. It's got some dishes in there, so hopefully you can't see that. But over here, we have a organic little fruit tub, and we got this one from TJ Maxx, I believe. And here we just keep some plasticware, things like that, nothing too crazy. Our dishwasher's running, and now I'm gonna show you my favorite part of this kitchen, which is right over here.
Hey, you forgot the Alexa.
Oh, beep, 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 beep. One more thing I forgot. Literally the most important thing of this kitchen, we have our Alexa. Alexa, say hi. She doesn't say much. She's a little shy. But yeah, we love her. She's really smart, kind of creepy, but you know, we love her. She plays music for us often. She turns on our lamp. We can talk like between like this and our bathroom with our little Echo Dot. But yeah, we love it. We think it's really cool. So we just keep her there because she's pretty there. And that's like kind of the central point of the house. But yeah, like I said, moving to my favorite part of the house. Don't mind our trash can. I hate them. This is our coffee bar. So I think the previous, like the idea for the house was to have a table here. This is a little too low. Tony hits his head, literally filming this, he hit his head. It's too low. I'm 4'11", and this is how close it is to my head. It's still pretty darn close. So if you're like 6 foot, you're going under. But we wanted to keep the space open because one, we don't sit at tables often. We like to sit either on the couch or here, which we're getting bar stools tonight actually. And this is like a little bar countertop, but we also have the dining room table over there, which you might have saw. If you didn't, it's in our last video. But yeah, we keep this open. This is the coffee bar. I got this sign from Hobby Lobby, and I love it because my cup runneth over. It's just cute. We have these super light little teacups here. And I like to keep those there. We don't really drink off of them. They're just kind of like there for decoration. And here I have this nice big old tub. And I think I got this from Walmart. You remember? I think Walmart. I'm going to say Walmart. I feel like I got it from Walmart. But in here, I keep, oh, Tony put some straws in here today. Very creative, babe. And then I have my keto coffee because this is what I drink to lose some weight. I'm still not where I need to be, but I have lost a good amount of weight, if you guys have noticed in my other videos. And if you want some information on how I lose weight by drinking coffee, just message me because I'd love to give you that info. But anyways, we have this coffee here, which is from, we got this one from Target. This is from Target because this is the same font as the salt and pepper shakers. Target. Love that. It's a little too small though, so we don't really put coffee in there. That's why I put them here. This one's just kind of chill in there. And then this sign we got from Ross starts each day with coffee, or Jesus and coffee, in that order. And I like this because it's literally so convicting, because sometimes I just want to go like straight to coffee, and it's so important to like get in the word first and just like, you know, like thank God for the day and not jump too straight into your morning. So I think that's really cool. Like, I don't know, I feel like this is literally convicting every morning and reminds us what's important to start our day. So I love keeping that there. Here's my little hand blender that I use to froth up our milk and stuff for my keto coffee. This electric kettle thing is a lifesaver. It heats up water like to boiling hot, or just warm, whatever you want, in like 30 seconds. It's crazy. Like, I'm obsessed with that thing for tea, coffee, whatever. And then over here, our Holy Grail coffee maker. This is the best thing. Tony got that for me for Christmas last year, and it is beautiful. I love it. It makes cappuccinos, it makes lattes, it makes cold drinks, hot drinks. Like, it's literally incredible. I don't use it that much anymore since I drink keto coffee, but when our guests are here, they drink this and they love it. The water just stays in here. You guys, I'll link below also the video on how I use this, because I kind of did a tutorial on how we use it. And then we just keep some coffee pods there. Those are to clean them. Make sure you get some of those if you haven't, because it makes it a lot of difference. If you feel like your coffee is tasting kind of weird, you probably need to clean it out. So you can get those at like Target. And then below here, we just have some plates that I got from our wedding as a gift. A little tray here with some keto packets, some cappuccino latte mugs, a bowl of lemons, and some other keto coffee creamers and things like that. And then this bar was like, I feel like it was like $115 online at Target. So I love this. I get so many compliments on it. And yeah, I think that's about it. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. And then outside is just like our outside. So this is like why this is such pretty lighting, is because our outside is right there. But yeah, that is the walkthrough of our kitchen. We love it. This is what we have been coming up with and styling for the week that we have been here. And yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see our master bedroom and bathroom, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know your favorite type of coffee to use in your Keurig, or how you like to prepare your coffee. If you like this video, like I said, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.